Beautiful soul. Feeling stuck or unsure how to work from home after 50? Especially if you don't have a degree or tech background? Here's the good news. You don't need fancy credentials to start fresh. Today, I'm sharing 5 beginner-friendly work-from-home ideas that are flexible, fulfilling, and designed for this season of life. First up, freelancing. Can you write, organize, proofread? Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr connect you with people who'll to do what you're already good at. No degree required. Start with small tasks and build your reputation over time. Next, consider becoming a virtual assistant. Many entrepreneurs are overwhelmed and need help managing emails, scheduling, or customer support. If you're organized and reliable, this could be a great fit, especially if you enjoy helping others. Love being creative? Open a print-on-demand shop using tools like Canva and sites like Redbubble or Etsy. You create a design once. The platform prints and ships it for you. It's low cost, low risk, and fun. Got teaching experience or just love helping others learn? Platforms like VIPKid or Wisent let you tutor from home or offer coaching if you have life or career experience others can benefit from. You bring wisdom, they bring the students. Finally, affiliate marketing. Recommend products you trust and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. You can share these through YouTube, a blog, or even simple emails. It's slow to start, but powerful long-term. The truth is, working from home after 50 is not only possible, it's start small. Stay curious. And if you're looking for more beginner-friendly business ideas, check out this next video, Top 5 Online Businesses You Can Start After 50. You've got this.